Myself Pratiksha Bhatt from Dr. L.S. Hiranandani College of Pharmacy, Department Pharmaceutical. Today I will demonstrate the operation of HORIBA SZ100 particle size analyzer and zeta analyzer, which ensure the product consistency, quality and stability. Standard procedure for operation of HORIBA SZ100 are as follows. First, turn on the main switch. Then turn on the system switch, that is here. Here is the light begins, and wait for 30 minutes for machine initialization. The purpose of this instrument is to measure the particle size and zeta potential. While this particle size affects the dissolution, viability and uniformity. Zeta potential indicates the surface charge and stability of the formulation. cGMP analytical equipment like this instrument must be operated as per the approved SOP. Particle size, we use disposable cell. Prepare the sample for analysis using double distilled water as required in the ratio of 1 part of sample and 10 parts of double distilled water. First, gently wash the cuvette with double distilled water. Fill the sample solution using syringe. Make use of this filter. This is 0.2 micrometer filter for filling the solution in the cuvette. Fill this cuvette till it becomes 1/3. This is the maximum volume to fill this cuvette. For particle size, place the cuvette in the sample holder. Select particle size. Start. Close on temperature. Here, give the suitable name to our sample. For particle size, the light scattered at 90 degree or 173 degree by the sample particles is collected through a lens and a pinhole by the detector. It measures by photon correlation method in the range of 0.3 nanometer to 8 micrometer. After running the sample, we will get this screen. Then we have to save this data. For particle size, we have to select size all graph. And save the file in your folder. Zeta potential, we use this cell, is called as electrode cell. Clean this electrode cell with double distilled water. This is double distilled water. Clean it by this, remove the bubble in the electrode cell. Fill the sample solution gently with this capillary tube, this black rod type. Here is the sample is filling. After filling electrode cell, place the sample in the sample holder. And run the sample by selecting appropriate parameter. Save the sample in initial layout zeta for zeta potential. After performing the analysis, remove the cuvette and close the door.
Hello everyone, myself Esther doing Masters in Pharmaceutics through Dr. L.H. Hiranandani College of Pharmacy. Let's see what are the preventive measures of this instrument. For general cleaning, if there is any dirt that is to be removed from the surface of this instrument, make sure it is wiped with cotton swab. Or you can use a gauze that is soaked in a neutral cleanser. For sample holder, make sure there is no residues or dirt inside the sample holder. Also, if there is any need for cleaning, it should be done with absorbent cotton, cotton swab or tweezers. Before placing the cuvette or the electrode cell into the sample holder, make sure the outer layer of that cuvette or the cell is dry. Lastly, there is need for service at least once in 1 to 3 months. Thank you.